Hi, Teddy. How are you?
Come on.
Yeah, it's okay.
Where'd you put her?
She's in the living room.
In the living room? She's not happy.
No, she's not. Well, Teddy, don't you want to go see what's making all the noise?
I wonder if he hears her. Come on.
Is he deaf?
Well, he sleeps hard, but when he's awake, no.
He doesn't hear her. I don't think he hears her. Or knows that she's there. Okay, I'm doing Abby rather than Amanda because I know as soon as I open that, Abby's going to take off where Amanda would just cower in the corner probably.
Oh.
So. Teddy, you're more worried about me than you are Amanda, aren't you? Well, let me know when you think it's time to let her out. But see if he chases her. He's not paying any attention to her at all.
I would think he would at least sniff. Maybe on this side.
Oh, I think he knows that she's in there now.
Yeah, he just backed up.
Yeah.
Okay. Don't make her suffer any longer.
Okay.
Let's see how I'm gonna got a grip on him.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. See? You see Teddy?
He sees her plain as day. He looked at her.
Well, Abby, do you like dogs? I didn't know that. I was sure that Abby would head for the hills.
Do you think she sees him? You know they're both old as dirt, so.
Yeah, I know.
The dog and the cat, so. Okay, well,